Okay. So in the question number, again I am explaining, in the question number 6, it is given that CSA is 4.4 meter, radius of the cylinder 0.7 meter. We have to find the height of the cylinder. Okay. So as we have curved surface area, we can use the formula of curved surface area, that is 2 pi RH. So 2 pi RH equal to obviously 4.4 according to the question. It is given in the question. Okay, according to the question. Now 2 pi means 22 by 7. R means 0. Any problem with that anything is given as in meter between radius and CSA? 0.7 meter or 0.4? CSA is 4.4 centimeter square and radius is 0.7 meter. Unit 0.7 meter. Okay, let's see. Now R is 0.7 and we should find H. So 4.4. Now 7, that is 0.1. 2 into 22, that is 44. 44 into 0.1, that is 4.4. H equal to 4.4. So H equal to 4.4 by 4.4, that equal to 1. So 1 meter. Height of the cylinder is 1 meter. It means 100 centimeter. Okay. Any problem regarding these sums? Anyone? Any problem regarding these sums? Anyone? Tell me quickly. No problems, are very good. Okay. Now question number 7. Question number 7. The inner diameter of a circular well, that well is also a cylindrical shape. Okay, is 3.5 meter deep and 10 meter. That is diameter 3.5 meter and deep 10 meter. Find its inner surface area, inner curved surface area, and cost of plasting at the rate 40 rupees per meter square. Okay. Okay, oh my god, Riddhita already sent the solve. Okay, Riddhita, let me solve the question. First of all, that question number 7, it is given that inner diameter is 3 point. First of all, it's a, okay, the diameter is given 3.5 meter. So what will be the radius? Radius will be 3.5 by 2. No need to divide it. Okay, keep it in the same form, that is 3.5 by 2. Okay, if I divide here, it will create some problem later. Okay, just 3.5 by 2 meter. Okay, next, height is 10 meter. Height is 10 meter. Now what is the inner surface area? Curved surface area means that inner portion. Okay, that area, that is the inner curved surface area. So formula, that is ICSA, inner curved surface area, is 2 pi RH. 2 pi RH. Now 2 pi 22 by 7 and R 3.5 by 2 and H 10. Okay, H 10. Now to remove this 2 and this 2, remove 7, that will be 0.5. Okay, 0.5 into 22, that is 111, and into 10, so 110 meter square. So inner curved surface area is 110 meter square. Okay. Now one thing, students, the second part is, it is asked that what is the cost of plastering. So the cost of, we know that total cost equal to rate into area, rate means rupees 40 per meter square, and area, that is 110, so 4400 meter square, 4400 meter square, it is the cost of plastering. Okay. So question number 7 we have solved. If anyone have any doubt, tell me quickly, otherwise I will go for the next question. Okay. Oh, sorry, that is rupees, sorry, yes, rupees, not, that is cost, not, yes, Rohit, that is rupees, not meter square. Total cost rupees 4400, not, yes, thank you. Actually last area, that's why I have given here meter square. Any problem, anyone? Quickly, beta. All clear, sir, very good. Okay, all clear. Now question number 8. Question number 8 already solved by, okay. In a hot water heating system, there is a cylinder, okay, of cylindrical pipe of length 28 meter and diameter 5 centimeter. Find the total radiating surface in the system. Okay, just think about that. Okay, that hot water heating system, where length means height, that is the length means height equal to given 28 meter, okay, and radius is also given, diameter is 5 centimeter, so radius will be 5/2 centimeter, but yes 5, that is 2.5 centimeter. Okay, now length is given in meter, so we should convert it into meter. We know that 2.5 centimeter, to convert into meter we should divide it 100 meter, so that will be 0.025 meter. Any problem up to this, anyone? 0.025 meter. So height and meter radius is given. So radiating surface means we should calculate that curved surface area, okay, that portion. So curved surface area of that heating system, CSA, equal to, what is the formula of CSA? Tell me. Write it down in the chat box. What is the formula of CSA of cylinder? Yes, 2 pi RH. Very good. 2 pi RH. 2 22/7 R means 0.25 into H 28. Now students, one thing, Just think about that. 7, 4, 2 into 22, that is 44, and 0.25, 0.025 into 4. What will be the sum? That will be just okay. So it will be 0.1. I think it will be 0.1. Is it? Actually, the radiation surface is that surface only. Radiating surface means that surface only. That's why I have taken curved surface area. Ornesa was this Ornesa. Okay. Ornesa, I have taken that radiation. I think. Okay. Radius will be 2.5 centimeter. 2.5 centimeter. That's why I have changed into meter, that by 100. Okay. Any problem up to this? So 0.1 into 44, that will be 4.4 meter square. 4.4 meter square. Now anything is left, any cost or anything? No. So inner radiating surface. So the radiating surface is of that geyser or water heating system, that is 4.4 meter square. Any problem, anyone? Any problem, anyone? No problem, sir. Okay, very good. Very good. Okay. Now moving on, the question number 9, probably the last question of the class. Question number 9. And just match the answer. Is it 4.4? Oh my God. So question number 9 is a lengthy question. Okay, question number 9. Find the, then it must be lateral surface area, not, or curved surface area, not total surface area. Question number 9. Every time Riddhita giving me hint before reading the sums. Okay, of question number 9, she has already sent. Find the LSA area of a closed cylindrical petrol storage, that is 4.2 meter in diameter and 4.5 meter in height. Okay. So one cylindrical closed tank, closed cylinder, we know that. So close, as it is closed cylinder, so height is given 4.5 meter, diameter 4.2 centimeter. So what will be the radius? Radius is 4.2 by 2, that is 2.1 meter. Any problem up to this, anyone? Radius is 2.1 meter. Okay, got it. Now first things, students, but your answer, okay. First question is LSA. LSA means curved surface area. So curved surface area, okay, first question, LSA and CSA, are they equal? These two terms, are they equal, LSA and CSA? Equal, yes. Actually in case of cuboid we use that term LSA, and in case of cone, cylinder, that time we use the term curved surface area. Okay. Yes, very good. We CSA for cone, cylinder, sphere, and LSA for cube and cuboid. Okay. Now, so LSA or CSA, LSA, same formula. What is the formula of LSA? Priya Kanjilal, tell me, what is the formula of LSA? Yes, 2 pi r h. 2 pi r h. Okay, so we have to multiply it. Just, sir, we have to find the total surface area. Yes, total surface. The next question it is asked. Okay, but the go through the question. The first two words, find LSA. That's why I am finding LSA. Okay, Suhit, check it. Go through the question. Go through the question. Sir, it is 4.2. Which one is 4.2? Suhit, check it quickly. Diameter 4.2 meter. Yes, diameter 4.2 meter, radius 2.1 meter. That's why I am finding LSA. Okay. Now just, and student, these parts in mathematics are called mensuration. The main problem of mensuration, calculation, and you need to learn calculate how to calculate that. It will be easier. Okay, if you multiply all the terms, upper numerators, then divide it 7, it's very much difficult to match the answer. Okay, just watch it. 0.3, 2 into 4.9, that is 9 into 22 into 0.3. Now students, 9 into 22, what will be the answer? 9 into 22, I think okay, into 0.3 into 0.3. So it will be so after one digit, so 59.4 meter square. It is the lateral surface area or curved surface area of the cylinder. Got it? Yes, 198. Suhit. The sub part 2 only, it's briefly lengthy. Okay, 59.4. Up to this, anyone have any problem? Up to this, anyone have any problem? Just 2 minutes in our hand. Within 2 minutes we have to complete the sums. No problem, sir. Okay, so I am just, that is the first part. Okay, the second part of the question, that question that is given, how much sheet actually used if 1/12 of the sheet waste in making. First of all, forgot about the last sentence. Okay, 1/12 of the steel wasted in making. Okay, so if it is asked that how much steel actually used, so what area we should find? What area we should? Okay, Didita, just forget about that. So TSA or CSA, how much area? Yes, TSA, as it is closed cylinder. Closed cylinder means that both the upper portion and lower portion sorry, upper portion and lower bottom and top circles are also closed. So we need TSA. So TSA that is 2 pi r into r plus h. 2 pi r into r plus h. So 2 into 22/7 into r, 2.1, r plus h, 2.1 plus h, 4.2, sorry, 4.5. Okay, so it will be 2 into 22/7 into 2.1, that will be 6.6 into 6.6. Got it? 0.3, 44 into 0.3 into 6.6. Now 44 into, that will be 13.2. 13.2 into 6.6. Multiply it. That will be 87.12 meter square. Okay, 87.12 meter square. Now students, that sheet, listen it carefully, that meter square, it means 87.12 meter square area of the cylinder. Okay, and the how much steel is needed? First of all, this 87.12 is plus waste. Got it? The question is, now consider that sentence, 1/12 of the steel waste in the making. So how much steel is required? How much steel means, so it must be needed 87.12 plus wasted steel. Okay, got it? So total steel required equal to 87.12 plus wasted steel. Any problem? This line, Priya, Annesa, Ritika, Sohelika, Protoy, any problem this line? Okay, so I hope you got that point. Required. Now, so total surface area is 87.12. Okay. Now just think, in the question it is asked find the total steel, how much area of steel needed. I am taking that, let total steel needed, area of the total steel, okay, area which is used, that is x meter square. Let total area of total steel which is used, that is x meter square. Okay, what is wasted? Can you tell me? All except Riddhita. Wasted element, wasted steel, area of the wasted steel. Yes, x by x, 1/12 of what? 1/12 of what? 1/12 of total steel. So 1/12 of x, that is 1/12 into x, that is x by 12 meter square. Okay. Now total is used x by x and wasted x by 12. Okay. Now for making that cylinder, x minus x by 12 meter square, is required, is used. Okay, so that must be equal to 87.12. Any problem in this equation? Tell me quickly. X minus x by 12, it means total sheet minus wastage equal to the that area of the closed cylinder. Any problem? Anyone? Suhit, Aharit, Ritika, Sohelika, Spriya, Sneha, Raima, any problem? Actually the area of the closed cylinder is 87.12, but it is without wasting. Okay, total sheet required, I have taken x minus wasted equal to the closed cylinder area. Now x minus x by 12, 12 LCM, 12x minus x equal to 87.12. Now 11x by 12 equal to 87.12. Now what will be the value of x? X will be 87.12 into 12 by 11. 87.12, 12 will be multiplied and 11 will be divided. So if you just calculate it, students, you calculate it, if you calculate that, it will be 7 710.9 2 and 7.92 into 2 12, that will be 95.04 meter square. So total area of steel required, that is 95.04 meter square. Okay. Okay students, so today I end this class here. I hope all these three sums, concept of these three sums, it's clear to you, and also you have enjoyed this class little bit. Okay, so and still now if you have any doubt regarding the last portion, you can tell me. Okay, those who have any problem, sir, why it is x minus x by 2, so any question you can tell me. Okay, thank you students, bye.